guys, it's me, Alicia, and today I put this slime in the freezer. It was perfect slime, but now it's just like froze. What? Yeah, I will. It's so bad now. I'm trying. I had the house that I had slime with this before. It's just like really hard. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is when I come home like an hour because I have to go somewhere, I'll put it in the fridge now. It did not work out. I'll put it in the fridge now, and then when I come back, I'll review it and see if it worked. Peace, Joyster.